We're extremely excited because we've just watched the movie in Dubai and came back, and we've heard that it's taken a great opening. So that's what we were really hoping for, and that's what we really wanted. And we're excited now. You know, I mean, it's our first day, so we're just.
Yeah, it's hello everyone. Firstly, yeah, it's lovely. You know, we just, as Jack saying, that we finished Dubai. I came back, and then I saw it with my family and friends yesterday, and they all loved it. So the first stage is to get a good opening, and you know, then the audiences are excited about your film. It is a unique, different film. So yes, now we wait and see how tomorrow does, and then day after does, and so we'll be just going through it. We are proud of the movie, and so yeah, I'm really glad that the audiences have given us this kind of a start.
I really didn't have to actually worry so much about that because they put these two phenomenal looks together so well, and they made them so different from each other, and they were able to kind of bring out that that feeling of Roy, that the movie, because it is a very stylized film, and. But yeah, I think I have to really kind of thank my entire styling team for that, putting it together.
Yeah, you try to look for different parts to do, I think, as actors, and I think that's what Roy gave all the characters. You know, if it was Jacqueline doing Aisha and Tia, or Ranbir playing Roy, and for me to play this filmmaker called Kabir, who, you know, is quite a complex character. So yeah, it was wonderful to go through his different emotions. It's come out really nicely. I'm very happy with it, and I'm getting some wonderful responses back.
Now the phone is a style statement.
Yeah, they have bags that have special compartments for phones also. Yeah, everything.
Chains that you can hook your phone to. It looks very cool.
Oh, it's lovely. I mean, it's so great to come now and see so many wonderful electronic gadgets all over. You can walk into a store, you know, you've got so much to choose from. It's very well organized, and you have a great staff. I've come here before, and I've picked up some stuff from you as well.
Manjave, romantic picture dikha de, request apayave, chittiya kalayave, oh baby meri chittiya kalayave, chittiya kalayave, oh baby meri white kalayave. You guys are supposed to sing with me.
Superb! Come on. See, we are not relaxed right now.
Is it?
We're
I
just
thought you
very
were
good
relaxed now.
actors.
You should see us when we get into the car.
You know, it's a wonderful feeling when the film is open really good. So that feels great. For Valentine's Day, we both had made a pact with each other a long time ago that if we will be going to watch Roy together tomorrow. And then she's going to dance Chittiya Kalaiyan for me.
And then he's going to take me shopping.
And I have to take her shopping. So that's what we're going to do. मेरे प्रोड्यूसर ने उसका क्लैरिफिकेशन वैसे दे दिया था, मगर हाँ, मैं एक बायोपिक कर रहा हूँ अरुण गावली पर, और मैं जे हॉस्पिटल गया था एक रेकी पे और अपने प्रोड्यूसर के साथ, एंड वहाँ पर कोई पुलिस के गाड़ियाँ खड़े थे, तो हमने पूछा कि कौन आया है, क्योंकि जे हॉस्पिटल में मोस्टली ऑल द क्रिमिनल्स कम, यू नो, हु हैव फॉर देयर ट्रीटमेंट्स. उन्होंने कहा था कि अरुण गावली हैं उस हॉस्पिटल में, तो थोड़ी सी लालच थी एक एक्टर की, और उस हिसाब से मैंने कहा कि यार जाके हेलो तो बोल लेते हैं, और गलती मेरी थी, मुझे नहीं जाना चाहिए था, बुरा लगता है. एज अ क्रिमिनल, एज अ लॉ के हिसाब से देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग टू गो एंड मीट समबडी, मगर आई नो आई कुड हैव हर्ट द पीपल हु वर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हिम, जो पुलिस वाले वहाँ पर थे, who were supposed to take care of him. मेरी मुलाकात उनके साथ 5-10 मिनट के लिए ऐसी लॉबी में हुई थी, और शायद उनको दिक्कत हो, और मैं यही चाहूँगा कि दिक्कत ना हो. तो जब पुलिस ने मुझसे पूछा था जब कि क्या हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी, और मैंने उनको ये बात समझाई थी, तो वो समझ गए. वो जानते हैं कि हम एक फिल्म बना रहे हैं, और मुझे आगे भी जाके उनसे तो मिलना ही पड़ेगा. तो वो सिर्फ बता रहे थे कि कौन से परमिशंस लेने हैं, कैसे जाना है, क्या करना है.
No, but I do ask, and I ask from a few people as well. People I feel that I can trust, who know about the industry, who know about movies. Jesse Salman, yeah, advice, like a lot of the times, I mean, I do consider, even though I have been in the industry now, I've done a couple of films, I feel that, there are people out there who I can trust who have a lot more experience than me. And I'd like to get their feedback about, certain movies before I go and sign them and make a rash decision. I think we've not, we have made a biopic on Mother Teresa. Yeah? I could be Mother, yeah. I would like to play Mother Teresa. It'd be very interesting to see. Because then I get to learn about her as well. And I do think that she was a very, very important figure in Indian history. That's very sad because I've not heard about it. I'm very sad right now. I didn't know that he's read it. No, I don't know. I don't know anything actually. I don't know if it's been conceptualized or not, or if there is a script for Kick 2. But I hope so because the first one did very well. So it'd be great. Well, see, I have a date, okay, for Valentine's. I heard, that he's going to be taking Vicky on a date for Valentine's to watch Roy.
जब हम दिल्ली में promotions कर रहे थे साथ में रणबीर के साथ तो हम लोग ने सब एक पैक बनाया था तो I think he was going to ask Jacqueline but I'd already asked Jacqueline to go out. तो विकी हमारे जो डायरेक्टर हैं वो बच गए थे तो I think Vicky and him know each other since they've been kids. So I think they're spending Valentine's together.
How romantic.